So a few days ago, I created a token on Moonshot by Dexscreener, and in this video, I'm going to show you the results of the token, how things later went out. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if I head over to my Moonshot application, that is my Moonshot preview. So I previously made a video about how you can use this Moonshot by Dexscreener, right? Ensure you check through my channel. There's a whole lot of videos for you to watch, right? Videos about how you can use this is Moonshot by Dexscreener. This is how you can spot trending meme coins on Moonshot by Dexscreener. This is how you can finally launch Solana tokens, right? There's a whole lot of video, so ensure you go check it out for good. So I'm gonna click on this my tokens because there's a whole lot of tokens right here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. So what I'm gonna show you the result of the token I just launched on this application, right, or on this site. So I made a video about how you can connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener so you can achieve this same result. So I'll click on my tokens right here. Once I've clicked on it, I'll wait for it to load a bit. Then once it has opened, you'll see that this token was launched a day ago just by $1 worth of Sol. So whenever you see this token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener, just know that I'm the one that launched it, right? So this is basically a test token, right? So if I scroll up, actually you can see that this token actually did well from the very start. I think we touched a market cap of $8,000 or so, right? So you can see there were buys that were coming in when I launched this token a day ago, right? The first buy came in $213, $35, and that was how it kept on increasing. And you can see, because there is no marketing, because there is no push in the token, it took a bit, right? So this video basically is an educational video. I'm doing it to share my thoughts on some things you need to know. So this is it. The token is dropping a bit, right? It's dropping a bit, but when this token launched, it actually pumped well, right? So this token is currently sitting at $6,700 market cap with a token price of 0.056793. So if I scroll down, you'd see lots of information about this token. If you have, let's say, $100, you can get 14 million pieces worth of this by dollar worth of Solana, right? So this was basically a test launch, and I showed you guys how you can create your own token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. So this video basically is an educational video only. So if you have any questions you want to ask me, or if you want to share thoughts on anything, ensure you do that below in the comment section. So this was the results of the token I created here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. So it actually started well with a market cap of $8,000, and it's currently sitting at $6,700, right? So it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to launch your own token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. All you need to do, you need to fund your Solana, right? You need to fund your Solana and follow everything step by step. I made a video about that, so ensure you watch through the video so you can create your own token yourself. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share those below in the comment section. And I would say this once more, this video basically is an educational video. I'm doing it to share my thoughts on some things you need to know. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this very video. I'll see you guys in the very next one.